It is very weird. Former hotel turned apartments. Two of the elevators here have been disabled. Here's the lobby. Still looks much like a regular old hotel. It's very interesting. Funny how both call stations still work. That was a nice cab. I like the cab on it. Former Dover by the looks of it. It's a 211. Excuse me. Good Lord. God. Oh my. That's bolted shut. Probably used to be service. Hello, Nathan. Man, this place is weird. Hold on. This is wacky.
I'm gonna take it to B.
Yeah. Probably Dover. Let me see. I can't tell. Is this Dover green or no? That's green. That's not green.
Go to B.
Yeah. Wait, look. There's another elevator there.
It's probably a service.
Yeah, but it's bolted shut. Here, let's go to the basement. Maybe we can see it there.
What's interesting is there's no way to do floor restrictions on this elevator. This hydro?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like the cab.
It's weird that they have the elevators and they shut them down and bolted them.
Right? Probably because they didn't want to pay to maintain too.
And they don't need them, so.
Yeah, once it's a
Why'd
hotel.
they put in the 2 call stations though?
Yeah. Well, I think the mod is older than me.
This is with storage. Probably maintenance.
Oh, look, that's where the... Here, you can hop out here.
I don't know.
Dude, look at that. Here, come out.
Probably shouldn't stick around that much.
Yeah. Look, they put the door equipment here. Look. There's this door equipment on the outside to prevent it from opening. That is weird. Anyway, that will be all.